For every application, select the best connection technology for your M12 connectors for assembly. Wire solid and pre-treated conductors easily and without tools through direct insertion with push-in technology. By opening the terminal point, you can also wire fine-stranded litz wires or release the conductor. Contact within seconds using the QUICKON insulation displacement connection. The Crimp connection allows you automated processing. Universal and powerful, the classical screw connection. Use the Piercecon connection for high-position applications.